Hello, my friends. Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is called Tutorial for the Area of Study, AsterDEM download, and then the Basin and stream delineation in QGIS. Okay, so what we are going to do with this tutorial is that from an area of study that is any area, because it's actually this is more like a procedure specific area. We are going to download the AsterDEM, and from the AsterDEM we are going to do the process in order to get the string network and the delineation, and on a very really simple steps. Okay, so first of all, we need to get some. Here we have the Google satellite, the image from. So if you don't have open layers, go to plugins, manage and install plugins, and then type here open layers, and then you see open layer plugin, and then once you do click here, you put install plugin here, but I have already have it. This is how I retrieve the Google satellite image. Okay, great. So here I have this and then I will use some panels. The coordinates capture two coordinates. Yeah, this is the when I do right click here, the coordinate capture activated and it appears here. So first I will start by capturing this corner. Okay, and what do I do with this? Okay, I go to here, I go to headx. Yeah, what is headx is one of the many QGIS servers. Okay, yeah, I am actually logged in. I will log out. Okay, this is because this server is very powerful because it gives the exact, I mean the AsterDEM, but from your, it gives you the AsterDEM, but for only the area of study. I mean, here will be to download from maybe from Air Data Search a sets of AsterDEM, and then doing a virtual raster and then merge the raster and so on. But it's just that we are going to make to what we are dealing with is just of an area of study, and then we download just the AsterDEM for that. Is what you can do with headx, that is with the server. Okay, first we log in with the Air Data. You need an account, but this is I mean all of these images are free, so don't worry about it. So just do register, and they won't charge you anything. Okay, so here, and then my password, I have already my password, and then I log in, but you will do a register here. Cool. Now we are logging in, and then we are going to define a place. Okay, so we need from this is my south, this is my west, this is my, sorry, then I create another one because I have to capture this corner, and this will be my north. This will be my east. Okay, submit, and then I have here the area of the study, the area of the study. Then here download required data, and I wanted I will use it for climate, for example. That's it. And I okay, I have to wait. This is actually the AsterDEM for the area, and then select download, and here you will see this is the download of my area of the study. So I will import it as a raster layer on my downloads, and actually is which is 1807, because I have many, is this one. Okay, so I open it up. Okay, first of all, you have to look for the coordinate system, because when you download it, it's actually on QGIS. Okay, but you UTM in order to, I don't know if it works, but it's, I mean, if you're dealing with basins, the thousands are for UTM, while I would rather prefer to use UTM. So what I will do is I will go to raster, I will go to projections, grab reproject, I have here, and then I will create on downloads, this one will be on UTM, so the WGS, and this is the song, I guess. If you don't know the song, you just go to Google Earth. This is a trick to get the song of an area. And then here you have Google Earth, close, and of the Google Earth, if you have selected TM, you can go here, because this is actually search. Wow, I had a, okay, and then we are in the zone 18 north, so it will be 18 north. 18 is 18. Great. And the target system of reference is 32618. Okay, because it's actually north. Okay. Okay, so here we have what we have is the same raster, but this is already in UTM. Okay, so for our tutorial, what we are going to do work is with the processing toolbox. So on processing toolbox, we have first, we need, why we need to field 6 to have a hydrological correct basin. So I have field 6 of 1 liu. Okay, and we are going to things not of this one, but rather of this one, of the UTM version. Okay, here just to press run. Okay, so cool. Okay, so it creates the watershed basins, but as a raster. The flow directions, the fillet them, that is the one that I like. Actually, I don't need this, so I will remove this one, and I will remove this one as well. Okay, so yes, I just need the. Okay, then what? No, it's a channel network. And drainage basins. Okay, so I just press this one here, and I will do it with the fillet them, and I need a flow direction. No, I flow connectivity. No, straddle order. Not really. I need the drainage basins. The channels, yes. The drainage basins, yes, because I think one is raster and the other one is vectorial, and I don't need the junctions. So I just type run. And then this is it, okay? So remember that these are, when you are working with processing, these are just temporal files. So in order for you to do the permanent files, you need to do file, save as, and then here you specify the name and you save it, okay? Otherwise you will lose this, when you close this project, you will lose everything, okay? So this is the tutorial. As you can see, you can define, you can download, and then you can define the stream network and drainage basins very easily, really quick. And I hope that this tutorial would have helped you to discover the amazing capabilities of QGIS. My name is Saul Montoya from Hatari Labs. If you like this video, please to our channel, give it a like to the video. And if you like the tutorials that we gave, please share our posts on the social networks, okay? So once again, and I hope to see you in another tutorials. So bye-bye. Bye.